Good afternoon, I'm Metliff meteorologist Tyler Hextall here for your afternoon update for Saturday, February 4th, 2017. And currently you're taking a look at our satellite and radar imagery, which is showing quiet conditions over much of the country. However, we do have a pretty strong storage system beginning to work its way into the northwest, which is delivering some heavy rainfall to some of the coastal and valley areas and also some mountain snow showers. So again, you'll definitely need some of your umbrellas as you head out today across the Pacific Northwest. And then as we head over towards the Midwest, we have a fast-moving disturbance working through here that is delivering some very light snow showers. And most of the precipitation you're seeing on the radar is actually not making its way towards the surface, but again, be prepared for some slick roadways across some areas here. And then across upstate New York, we do have some lake effect snow showers continuing, primarily south of the Watertown area. But again, be sure to look out for some whiteout conditions and some slick roadways. But overall, again, we have some pretty tranquil conditions across the country. And here's a look at the latest afternoon temperatures across the country. And the eastern half of the country is seasonably cold for this time of year, and we have primarily 20s and 30s across the northern tier and 40s and 50s across the south. The exception is along the Gulf Coast and into Florida, where we currently have temperatures in the 60s, 70s, and even a few 80s down in South Florida. But then as you head over towards the west, we do have some westerly winds causing some warmer temperatures across the Texas Panhandle, western Kansas, and Oklahoma, and into the Front Range of Colorado, where temperatures are running several degrees above average and in the 50s and 60s here this afternoon, with even a few pockets of 70s. So very pleasant weather for February here. And as you head over towards the west coast, again, some seasonally cold temperatures for February, with temperatures running in the 30s and 40s across the coast, and even some 50s along the coastline, and down in the 50s along California, into California as well. And here's a look at our future radar for this evening and into the overnight hours tonight. And you can see that large portions of the country will remain fairly dry, but the Pacific Northwest will be the most active region, with the heavy rainfall continuing, especially in Oregon and parts of coastal Washington, and even the mountain snow showers continuing across the Cascades as well. But we'll continue to have that occur throughout the evening hours. And then looking towards the southeast, anywhere from East Texas through Alabama, Mississippi, we're going to see some showers develop here as we're going to have a weak cold front begin to push southward through this area. But again, the main areas of focus will be in the Pacific Northwest and for some showers developing overnight across portions of the south. But overall, most places will remain dry. And here's a look at the temperature forecast for this evening and into the overnight hours. And the coldest temperatures will be found across the northern plains, where we have temperatures fall into single digits and even below zero here overnight. But elsewhere, we'll have some seasonally cold conditions for February across most areas, with lows primarily in the teens and 20s across the northern tier and 30s and 40s across the south. And same story out west, where we'll have many places falling to near seasonal averages tonight. And here's a look at the projected rainfall totals for tonight and into tomorrow across the Pacific Northwest. And be mindful that some places could exceed 2 inches here. So be on the lookout for some localized flooding if you're going to be venturing out tonight and into tomorrow across here. And don't forget to download our My Weather Alarm app in the App Store or sign up for MetLoop alerts on metloop.com. I'm Tyler Hextall here with today's afternoon update. Thank you for listening and have a great evening.